channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. So today we are taking out the kids for a little fun day out. We're taking Kai and his cousin Jaden. We just got to NASA. We thought it'd be fun to just walk around. Philip got the day off. Kai is really into planes, so so we have to keep our mask on 24/7, but inside Orion. First space station. Wow, this was the first space station ever created.
It looks like a zombie.
It's one of those dolls, babe. Doesn't this make you think of Interstellar? So this one is out.
This is the sleep room right here.
Sleep compartment. Look at the man. Look. Peekaboo. He sees. So you guys, we are about to go inside the plane. Yeah, let's go inside. What is it, Kai? You're in the plane? Are you in the plane? Whoa!
This one's like a lot clearer.
You guys, I'm so bad at vlogging, honestly. First of all, good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. Saturday morning, and I'm about to make breakfast right now. I'm still in my robe, and yeah, but I realized yesterday that while we were at NASA and we were driving home, I forgot to vlog coming back home. But honestly, we were so tired, you guys, like from walking, and we were just so tired. And then on the way back, we thought Philip lost his phone, and then we ended up finding it like under the seat. So then we get home, and then we realized, and I had to be so bad, and then we realized that we actually lost, what we lost was our house key. Like, the house key fell off of our key ring, and I was like, what the heck, dude? So we were looking all over the truck. We could not find it. So then we had to go to my in-laws' house to get our spare key and like come back home or whatever. It was just like one of those times. So I didn't even think about grabbing the camera or anything. And I was supposed to order groceries yesterday too, for like, so we could go pick up today, but completely forgot. And I looked and they have nothing for pickup today till tomorrow, and I'm like, I don't want to do that. So I just Instacart our groceries for today. Didn't get to upload a video on Friday because my external hard drive messed up, and basically all the footage that I had in there, the clips of the mole recipe, gone, and the project I had that I was editing, gone. And like, I was gonna try my hardest on Friday to just sit and like not film, but like try editing, see if I had any clips saved still. But it was just gonna be too much pressure for me, and some things are out of my control, and I need to accept that and just keep going, you know. My goal is to just have a video up by Tuesday, just keep everything moving, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna keep working really hard, so that's never gonna stop. I'm gonna keep grinding, keep going after what I want, no matter what gets in the way, you know what I'm saying. Like, that's the kind of person I am. So as you guys can see and hear, it started raining, so it like made the day go to really not in the mood to do anything else but clean. We just cleaned the house, or I cleaned the house, I cleaned the room, and we just got our Instacart groceries in and Philip brought them in, so they're on the table now. I need to spray them all down. I want to make me a iced coffee with you guys because really there's nothing else to do. It's only 12 and I'm feeling down because there's no sun. Can't work out. It's freaking raining cats and dogs right now. So let me go ahead and clean all the groceries and then we'll make a nice coffee so we can like chill, edit. I want to edit a video and then maybe read, put Kai down for a nap. So let me go ahead and do that. You guys, I'm excited about the iced coffee that we're gonna make because finally got my hands on this creamer, the coconut cream. I've been wanting to try this one for a while, so I'm gonna make a nice coffee with you guys right now using this. It's so weird though, the tapa, it's like screw on, it's not pour. That's weird. Another thing I've been really into, you guys, is sourdough bread. I asked for the one that's already cut because this one, they get hard to cut because I put them in the fridge. They last a long time. This one was $3.48 and they last like 2 weeks for me in the fridge because I use it to make like avocado toast or like BLTs. Like I use it to make fancy sandwiches, you guys. And ever since I started doing that, my breakfast goes off. Like it feels like those fancy brunch spots. So if you like fancy sandwiches, get the sourdough and just put it in the fridge. It lasts a long time. I'm like, let me bring out the camera. I forgot about the coffee, you guys. I still have it here to make, but I am currently marinating some chicken or seasoning some chicken. That way I can like grill it a little bit. That way I can grill it a little bit later. Let me show you guys. Iced coffee time, you guys. I got my cold brew in here.
So I guess we will go to the show together.
Let's try this.
Sometimes the Bible says music makes you feel bad for something.
Oh my god.
I was going to put it on your iPod. I don't have to play it right now.
Oh, what? When I go out jogging?
I don't need to.
Let me hear it.
This is freaking bomb.
Let me hear my playlist.
If you like coconut, please get this. This coconut creamer, you guys, it's so freaking delicious and so good. And like I said, today ended up being just like a chill ass day because it's been raining so bad all freaking day and it makes me sad. I think I'm just gonna chill outside for a little bit under the porch and just listen to the rain a little bit and read. I've been reading, as y'all know, the Red Queen book, and then another book, No Drama Discipline. I've been really trying to get into that book because of Kai. Red Queen's really fun. It's like, I will tell you guys a little bit about the books. Like, honestly, I don't know if y'all would even care to know about the books that I read. Like, I feel like that's such a personal thing too, like books that you like and that you read. I don't know, it always makes me feel naked like when I tell people about the books that I read. It's not like movies. I feel like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Should I have a whole new channel just dedicated to the books? That way I don't bore anyone over here with like book talk or whatever, and just make a whole book account. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. My goal was to grill today with my small little gas grill, just so I can grill some chicken legs that I have for dinner and like rice and like make tostadas and stuff. And it keeps raining, like it is not chill, you guys. Like, and the thing is right there, like my grill's right here because I had it out there the other day. You guys, this is the jacket I found, my hubby's work jacket, and it's keeping me warm, and it's also like for the rain, so I'm gonna move everything over. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so now I have my grill out here. That's good. That way I can like grill a little later when the water kind of like chills, because it's been chilling and then it rains and then it comes. So once it chills again, I'll go ahead and grill our chicken. The salsa, the chicken looks so freaking bomb, the beans, the arroz looks bomb too. So we are eating good right now. Oh, the corn, I forgot, it's over there. I need to get that.
Let me clue you all in on something. Water's no American sub has ever crossed me. As long enough so you can testify. Arrogance of this for you to bring him in here.
I'm giving Kai more rice and beans because he really liked it. And he's also eating an elote too right here.
Gotcha.
Say hi, Kai. Okay. Say goodbye. Guys, look, you guys, bomb. So you guys, I realized that I'm a horrible vlogger and I never ended the vlog from whenever we went to NASA. So I'm here like editing footage of what I can edit for like the next few days, and I'm like, wait girl, you never finished this vlog. I was actually working on another video, so if you see me wearing the same outfit, hush, okay? Shh. No one needs to know. No one needs to know. Your girl is on grind mode today. I just got so inspired, you guys. Yesterday I just took the day off. I didn't vlog or touch the camera, and I just kind of vibed the whole day, and I let myself have fun journaling. And I feel like that's something that I struggle with sometimes, like doing creative things like journaling and painting, or just doing something that's technically not a chore or technically not working. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes I feel guilty for doing those things, but whenever I do, I feel like inspiration and creativity just starts going off, you guys. And I literally yesterday I just let myself have a chill, like I said, a chill day, and by the end of the evening I was so inspired and had so many cool fun new ideas for my YouTube channel, and I just felt inspired again, because I felt like for a second like I was stuck with my channel, just like doing the same vlogs, doing the same recipes. And like, don't get me wrong, I love sharing recipes with you guys, but I don't want my channel to strictly be about food. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I'm not just about food. Like, I feel like I love sharing so much other things, but I want to have fun. You know, how can I do that and having fun? And sometimes like I need to remind myself, like, you know, there's other things I can share. It doesn't always have to be food. But I feel like I'm just rambling and rambling. But anyways, I just basically, the point was that I just inspired myself, and I just felt that creativity back. And it's crazy because it's like all I did was allow myself to have that downtime and just, you know, journal and have that brain dump moment with so much things on my mind, you guys. And I feel like that's where those ideas just started coming to me. So I'm so excited to see where my channel is gonna go for, you know, 2022, you guys. Like I said, I have some fun videos that I'm about to be sharing with you guys and filming over this next week and weekend. I have some stuff planned that I'm just excited about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye.